it's safe to say that memes have taken over the internet and they only continue to evolve each day. Now, most of us are either bored by the large volume of ads or bored by the marketing-focused content that's being circulated on all these social media platforms. In this crowded environment, memes have become a popular way to successfully but subtly propagate your brand message to the masses. So if you're a marketer targeting a millennial audience, what's not to like here? Hello makers, this is Jack, the content marketer at PickMaker. In today's video, you'll discover how your brand can use memes to engage and connect with your audience. Here's a quick peek into the following sections we'll cover in this video. Number 1, why brands should include memes in their marketing strategy. Number 2, how brands can implement a successful meme marketing strategy. Number 3, how to create a viral meme. Watch the video till the end and we've got your top 5 tips to create a meme that connects with your audience. With no further delay, let's jump into today's video. Let's start with the basics. What is meme marketing all about? Meme marketing is the use of memes to promote your brand story and messages. It's a fun and low effort way to connect with your audience and increase your engagement rate as memes are highly shareable. Now let's see why brands should include memes in their marketing strategy. Across various industries, more and more marketers are using memes to build their community. They use memes to help their audience relate to their brand. Memes are also a subtle way to stick your brand in the mind of your followers. Here are 5 reasons why memes should be a part of your content marketing strategy. Number 1, they're already viral. Memes are the perfect examples of the age-old quote, "Good artists borrow, but great artists steal." Rather than creating something from scratch and crossing your fingers that it goes viral, you're leveraging an idea that is already successful. That's why memes are perfect for marketing your brand. Number 2, they're quick and easy to create. For marketers, content creation is a daily task. Having some easy to create types of content at your disposal is a marketer's dream come true. And memes offer you exactly that. They're easy and usually take very little time to create. Number 3, memes harbor a sense of community. Memes create a sense of belonging because your audience can relate to the situation that you're referring to. If you can make your audience laugh, you'll attract followers and help viewers find your brand more relatable. Number 4, meme-based content incites shares. Because memes are share-worthy, they're fantastic for generating traffic and visibility to social media accounts. When people see a great meme, they end up sending it to their friends or even talking about it in their social circles. Number 5, memes keep your brand relevant. Because memes are often based on a current trend or an event, they make your brand more relatable and modern. In short, they keep your brand relevant in a world that's possibly changing at the speed of light. You know that using memes in marketing is all about creating engagement and making users feel like they're part of a community. In the next section, let's see how brands can effectively implement their meme marketing strategy. Once you've created a meme to use in a marketing mix, what do you do with it? Well, as we mentioned earlier, memes make for really awesome visual content to use in your marketing effects. But it doesn't have to stop there. Here are some other ways to make the most out of your funny and new meme. Add memes in your blog posts. Memes are important to your blog posts and your content marketing efforts as they make your content easier to digest for your readers. Also, they've been proven to improve your SEO rankings by a ton. Besides, making your blog posts more visually engaging, memes contribute to the tone of your brand's voice, serving as a major differentiator in the market. Memes in email marketing. While email remains the most effective digital marketing channel, why not reuse your memes there too? The best marketing memes can make your email more visually attractive. Memes have a relatively smaller file size. They don't hamper the deliverability of your emails. And finally, the obvious, memes in social media marketing. Generic content could fall flat on younger audiences, especially on social media platforms. That's where online marketing memes can give your younger followers the feeling that you genuinely understand their perspective. Now you know why embedding memes will boost your brand marketing game and give you a better way to engage with your audience. In the next section, let's see how brands can create memes effortlessly. If you want to create a viral meme, all you need is a great idea and a super cool AI-based tool, PicMaker. Using PicMaker to design your eye-catching memes couldn't be any easier. Now let's take a look at how to do this. Open a new page in your browser and go to picmaker.com to log into your account. If you're a new user, click on the sign up button to create a new account for free. Once you're on PicMaker's dashboard, go search for memes in the tiles to find your favorite meme templates. Now you'll be taken to a templates tab where you can browse through PicMaker's library of meme templates. These templates can be customized to your needs. You can add or remove elements, make the text larger or smaller, or even change the whole layout of the meme. To select a template, just click on the template so you can add it to your slide. Or if you're a bit daring, you can also begin your project from a blank slide by designing your meme from scratch. If you got the perfect image for your meme, you can upload it and drag it directly onto your design. Or if you're looking for a funny image, choose from over 2 million watermark-free images in our stock library. Enter in any text you want to feature on your meme, including titles or captions. You can also personalize your memes with dozens of text effects and adjustments. Choose your own font style, background and color scheme. Mix and match elements from different templates and add wow-worthy effects, filters and textures to customize your meme to perfection. Sometimes your funniest memes comes to fruition when you collaborate with your friends. With PicMaker's collaboration feature, you can instantly add your friends and create a new workspace. When you're finally happy with a newly created meme, hit the download button and instantly save your meme. You can choose to download it in multiple formats like a PNG, JPG or a PDF. Or you can also share your memes directly on social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn or Twitter without leaving PicMaker. Wasn't that simple? All you need to create your next viral meme is PicMaker and a bit of your creativity. In the next section, let's see the top 5 tips for creating successful memes. Here are a few tidbits to help you create the kind of meme that gets all the likes and shares. Tip 1. Try to jump on it quickly. Ideally, you want to share your meme as it peaks, not when it's already made its rounds. Because once interest has died down, you may not get the traction you want from your audience. Check out what's trending on sites where memes reign supreme. Tip 2. Make sure it's relatable to your brand. As with any marketing strategy, you want to make sure your meme feels authentic to your brand. The thing is, not every viral meme will be a good fit for your brand. Be selective about which memes you create and which ones you let go of. Tip 3. Follow the meme basics. Keep it short, sweet, and use easy to read large text. Nobody likes squinting. Tip 4. Make sure your meme isn't offensive. Brands can get themselves in a lot of trouble when they join in on certain trends without thinking through the implications. Here are a few questions to ask before you join in on a certain trend. Does the meme make fun of a particular group or community? Does it include insults, slurs, or charged words? Does it rely on suggestive imagery or language? If you answer yes to any of these questions, you may want to reconsider the use of a meme. And the final tip, distribute your memes. If you want your meme to catch on, don't just stop after posting it on Facebook and Instagram. Reddit and Tumblr have historically been favorites for meme displays. So don't forget to distribute your memes on those platforms too. Thanks for making it to the end of this video. Now that you know how memes work and how you can use them in your marketing campaign, what do you think? Will you consider using memes in your marketing strategy? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your colleagues and friends. And make sure that you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time we release a new video on this channel. What are you waiting for? Go on, it's your time to start creating your own memes for your own brand. This is Shag signing off from PicMaker's YouTube channel. Happy designing!